I am Kay here, bringing you another video. This time, an unboxing of the USPmotorsports high downflow downpipes and catalytic converters. Yep, just going to do a little unboxing and give our initial thoughts. Stick around. Alright, here's the box open a little bit. This was tucked in further. I pulled it out. But we got clamps, bill of materials here. Alright, we'll throw that on the ground yonder. Oh, this is the gaskets and studs. I'm just going to be using the gaskets. Yep. Whoop. There's one of them. Millilating. See how much of a mess I can make. Alright. Alright. Another downpipe. Boom. And the midsection. Obviously in the car it would be like yonder, I believe. That's pretty cool. That's on both sides. That's some like official shit. Well, is what it is. Oh, shit, I can't say nothing. I can't weld, so yeah. Shit. What that look like? Oh shit! Can't lose that. What, boy? Got a little sticker. Boom. Oh, stop the madness. Stop the madness. Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Get them to the old lady. She love her rare boo. Yup. Pocket. Right away. Alright, make sure I ain't nothing up underneath this little paper down yonder. Nothing. But what we got here is the USP downpipes and cats. As you can see there, we'll be putting that in the Mark V there, R32. It's here's the old unit. Dims go up a little bit, but what's wrong with it? Shit. What's wrong with it? I'm not gonna lie, I could probably save some, well, if your flex pipes are good, you could probably have saved some money, but those should be good. Should be good for sure. It's an old tailpipe too with the ECS Res Delete. Took that junk off. It's now got a X-Force 3-inch catback. And it'll now have all this feeding into it. That's what the inside of the cat looks like. So, it'll be good. Better than what I had, as that was falling apart. But now I'm gonna put this all back in the box. Still waiting on the gaskets for the exhaust manifold. And yeah, that's what we're waiting on. Yeah, as soon as that comes in, and I have time, I'll be back to it. But hell yeah, made in Canada, baby. Bada bing. Cheers. Catch you next time. IMK out.